define frequency relay as per function. So in this case, the energizing quantity is frequency. Frequency is very essential term in AC power system, and frequency is defined as the number of cycles passing through in a unit time. So in 1 second or 1 unit time, the number of cycles passing through any object or any point is known as the frequency. The frequency is set in the systems generally as operating frequency of 50 Hz in India and 60 Hz in some other countries. Under and over frequency operations causes the fallout of the synchronism and also affects the operation of machine, and also the losses and efficiency is greatly affected by it. Means all the machines according to the one India, one grid, one frequency. So all the machines in whole India are operating in a synchronism at one place. If you find that the alternators running in Gujarat similar to the alternator running in any other states of India, both are in synchronism. So this is how, if one of the machine falls out of the synchronism, then the power can be lost, or that generator is out of the synchronism, and that may trip the whole power station and affect the operation of the whole grid. So in that case, the frequency is very important. So the over frequency or under frequency, both are not good or the not at all acceptable for the operation of a machine. In case of under frequency, if the frequency lowers than the preset value of the frequency relay, then it issues a trip signal, and vice versa in case of over frequency relay. If the frequency is higher than the preset, that is 50 Hz value, then relay issues the trip command. So this is how the frequency relay operates during the under frequency as well as over frequency issues.